Today's practice, we're going to do a couple restorative poses. So we're going to need a bolster and a strap. Place your bolster long ways, just like I've done here, alongside your mat. So what we're doing here is a reclined butterfly pose. So take the strap over the feet and send it around the hips. And we want to just have it resting right on the sacrum. Close it up and have the closing part just right here so that you can tighten it or loosen it as feels good for you, right? So just go ahead, take a few moments to get your strap ready. Just a reminder that the strap is not at the low back, but is just below the low back, right at the sacrum. Bring the feet as close to the body as you can and tighten up the strap. I'm struggling with this more than you know. Okay, and you're sitting right at the base of your bolster, and then you're going to lay back so that your back and your head are supported by the bolster. Here you can tighten the strap. See, your handle is right here and you can just pull it and kind of tighten the strap if you need to. And then when you get to this place, just allow the arms to relax over the bolster. Allow the shoulders to open. Allow the center of the chest to soften. Go ahead and close the eyes, relax the jaw. Allow the breath to gradually deepen. Can you release the inner thighs, the hips? Release the knees. Every time you exhale, can you consciously allow the body to relax into this pose? Notice what it feels like. And allow the body just to take the shape of this pose. Feel the support of the bolster, feel the support of the strap. And then can you allow the body to release into that support? Just kind of let go. Let go of the need to hold yourself together. Becoming aware of your breath. Feel the sensation of breath at the nose. Feel the sensation of the breath at the throat. Feel the sensation of breath at the chest. And feel the sensation and the movement of the breath at the belly. Notice how the pose feels. And maybe noticing subtle changes in the feelings, in the sensations as we stay here a little longer. As time passes in the pose, what does that do for the body? How does that change? We're going to get ready to slowly come out. Taking your time, gently pressing up with the hands, lifting the head. And then releasing the strap. And setting the strap off to one side. How does the body feel coming out of the pose? From here, we're going to face the long edge of the mat. The bolster is going to stay where it's at. If you find it's a little low, you can always take a pillow, a block, a book or something underneath the bolster just to get a little lift. We're going to have the right hip alongside the bolster and just let the knees be like this. And then we're going to twist the body and lower the belly and the chest onto the bolster. And turn your head to the right side. And then we stay and we hold here for a few minutes. Begin to gently make your way out. We'll take it onto the other side. Lining up your left hip thigh with the edge of the bolster. Taking the right knee near the left foot. And then turn the chest and begin to fold over the bolster. turn the head to the left. Relax. Allow the body to settle down on the bolster. Get heavy. And slowly, gently press yourself back up. Come to a comfortable seated posture. And just take a moment to notice how the body feels. Thank you.